Have you ever wondered how a single, seemingly trivial action could alter the course of history? During the Battle of the Bulge in World War II, a German soldier's sneeze inadvertently revealed their hidden position to nearby Allied forces. As the sound echoed through the dense Ardennes forest, American troops, already on high alert, zeroed in on the source. What followed was a sudden and fierce engagement that tipped the scales of this critical battle. The Allies, seizing the unexpected opportunity, launched a decisive attack that shattered the German line, turning the tide in their favor. This small, almost imperceptible act of human frailty became a pivotal moment, demonstrating how even the smallest events can have monumental consequences in the theater of war.